In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com and Facebook. By the end, you'll have the official Meta integration installed inside your Monday.com account, so you can streamline work that touches your Facebook assets. Before we start, make sure you're signed into a Monday.com account that has permission to install apps. If you're not an admin, you may need a quick approval from one. Begin by heading to Monday.com and signing in as you normally would. Give the dashboard a moment to load so all the top navigation elements appear. We're going to use the built-in marketplace to find the app that bridges Monday.com with Facebook. Look toward the top right of the screen for the small puzzle icon. This is the shortcut to the apps or marketplace area. Click it to open the app catalog. If you don't see the icon, try expanding your window or closing any pop-ups so the top bar is fully visible. Inside the marketplace, you'll see a search bar. In that search field, type the word Meta. Facebook products are now grouped under the Meta brand, so searching for Meta is the most reliable way to find the official integration. If nothing appears at first, clear any filters, make sure you're searching all apps, and try again. Spelling matters here, so double check that you typed META. When you see the Meta listing in the results, click it to open the app page. This page gives you an overview of what the integration can do, supported use cases, and any permission details. Take a moment to review the description so you know you're installing the correct verified app, and glance at the screenshots or notes to confirm it matches your needs. Next, click Install App. Depending on your account settings, you may be asked to confirm the workspace where the app will be installed. Choose the appropriate workspace if prompted and continue. During installation, Monday.com may display permission requests so the integration can connect properly to your Facebook assets through Meta. Review the prompts and proceed when you're comfortable. If your organization has strict admin controls, the system might route the request for approval. Just follow the on-screen guidance and wait for the confirmation. Once the installation finishes, you'll see the Meta app available in your account. That's your confirmation that Monday.com and Facebook can now communicate through the official integration. If you ever run into trouble, double check that you're signed into the correct Monday.com account, that you have install permissions, and that you searched for Meta, not Facebook. That's it. Your Meta app is installed and ready, bringing Monday.com and Facebook closer together so you can manage campaigns and updates more efficiently.